The father of the Oxford shooter will be at the center of the next trial in March. James Crumbley also charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter. Our Team 7 coverage continues now with 7 Action News reporter Brett Cast and the impact Jennifer Crumbley's conviction could have on her husband's case.
Well, all eyes have been on this case because of how unique it is and the precedent it could set. Attorneys I spoke with today said prosecutors across the country reviewing this case as a test run for charging parents in mass school shootings, with the second part of that test coming next month.
We find the defendant guilty of involuntary manslaughter.
A groundbreaking verdict 2 years in the making. Families watching on in court as parents and attorneys nationwide tuned in as well.
My mind was thinking I'm witnessing history.
I was a little surprised at the verdict. I thought maybe they were heading towards a not guilty.
Todd Russell Perkins and Michael Bellata are both attorneys based in Detroit. They say this case has wide-ranging implications.
We now have an example in the books of what it takes to prosecute a parent for the acts of their children in committing a school shooting.
That example will be put to the test again in less than a month, when Jennifer's husband James will face the same 4 charges of involuntary manslaughter.
I think what will come out in that case is that the father also bought the gun, that they may hold him more accountable.
While these attorneys both tuned into Jennifer's trial, they say you can bet James Crumbley's attorney was also watching and will likely learn from it, along with the prosecution, who will both use this trial to strengthen their cases.
Depends on who you ask. Some people think it's better for the prosecution. Some people think it's better for the defense.
But also possibly watching that trial and hearing the verdict, James Crumbley's future jurors.
That jury will be told by the judge that they cannot consider what happened in Jennifer Crumbley's case. They have to make their decision anew based on all the facts that they hear during their trial.
The real test is going to be, can you be fair? And that's easier said than done.
Perkins says James' attorney might request a change of venue or jurisdiction, or even approach the prosecutor with a plea. As for Jennifer, her case may not be over either. She will likely file an appeal, and Bellata says her attorney will focus on the shooter's text message, used as evidence he asked his parents for help and they ignored him.
Statements that are made out of court that are offered for the truth are called hearsay, and there's sometimes exceptions to that rule, but in this case, I don't think there is an exception. So I think that is going to be a big issue on appeal, because those messages were, I think, very damning to Jennifer Crumbley.
Bellata says he fully expects that Jennifer's attorney will file an appeal within 10 days. It could then head to the Court of Appeals and the Michigan Supreme Court in a process that could take potentially 2 years. As for James Crumbley, his trial begins on March 5th. In Pontiac, I'm Brett Cast, 7 Action News.
Okay, Brett, we will see how it all plays out. Thank you. Stay with 7 Action News on air and online for continuing coverage of this historic verdict and the events leading up to the trial of James Crumbley.